Hello and welcome back to our Healthy Bites for Students series. Now, if you've joined us for the last 2 episodes, we've made a breakfast overnight oats and a pizza roll as a snack. The idea of this is to make simple, convenient, super easy recipes that you can take with you on the go and you can just prepare really quickly. This couldn't have happened without the lovely Nillumbik Shire Council. And if you're new to this, hello, I'm Selin, a nutritionist and student dietitian, and I'm all about the super easy, super convenient, super nutritious foods to keep you performing at your best. Now, the Burrito Bowl is a game of chopping and adding. Chop your ingredients, add them into your container, and you've got lunch sorted. Let's do it. You'll need a cup of brown rice, a can of black beans rinsed and drained, tomatoes, avocado, cucumber, frozen corn and peas, sliced lettuce, sliced capsicum, and a few tablespoons of yogurt, salsa, hummus, and lemon juice to top it off. Cook 1 cup of brown rice with 2 cups of water. It can take up to 45 minutes to cook, so start it up nice and early. Brown rice is a whole grain and a great source of a range of nutrients, including B vitamins for energy and brain health. This partnered with black beans does wonders for your gut and therefore your mood, keeping you focused. Now, black beans are a great plant-based protein, but you can also add in any leftover meat. Top off with your favourite toppings. You can see which ones I'd choose. A good indicator for a variety of nutrients is colour, so choose colourful veggies. Top off with salsa, describe your favourite one from the store, yogurt and hummus. Season with lemon juice and olive oil and you are sorted. Oh, don't forget some salt. Just like that, your lunch is done. And this is the lunch that's going to keep you feeling full and it's fresh, which means you're not going to feel like you're just super tired after eating a big meal. We can't wait to hear about what your lunches are like in the comments below, and let's have a chat. What do you like about meal prepping? What's great about it? What's hard about it? And what else do you want to see in these videos? Hope you guys have taken some awesome little tips away and have as much fun making these as I have. Take care, everybody.